today's session, we'll talk about how to use music to help reduce your stress or your child's stress. If you're looking for easy strategies to help everyone in the family feel more calm and less anxious, then this episode is for you. We've all experienced that feeling of nervousness when our heart is pounding. Did you know you can use music to help lower your heart rate? Research has shown that listening to slow, calm music can significantly slow down our heart rate, helping us to feel more relaxed. For a truly calming experience, try the song Weightless by Marconi Union, which has been specifically designed to induce relaxation. I have a routine where after work every day, I put this song on in my car. And while the song plays, I review my day and think about all of the things that didn't get done that day. And when the song ends, it helps me to close the door on the day and feel like I've finished work and now I can transition to being at home with my family and not continue to think about those things. Music isn't just good for calming our nerves, it can also help reduce pain. Studies in hospitals have demonstrated that listening to music can significantly reduce pain in newborns and infants. The type of music found to be most helpful include classical music, children's music, and even pop music. In adults, listening to music for just 20 minutes has been shown to reduce pain levels, and the effect is even greater if you sing along. Music can also serve as a welcome distraction, helping to shift our focus away from stressful events. Listening to upbeat music can heighten positive emotions and even increase dopamine levels. Dopamine is the neurotransmitter associated with motivation and pleasure, which makes us feel happier and more energized. So give it a try. Listening to music, or even better, singing along, can be a powerful tool to help you and your loved ones lower stress levels. Incorporate music into your daily routine and notice the difference it makes in your mood and your overall well-being. Tune into our next video to learn how to use music to facilitate social connections. We'll explore how music can bring people together, foster communication, and enhance social bonds. See you next time.